Hi, this is Xometry Greg, and I wanted to make a very quick video to talk to you about a finish that I really like and I find useful for very specific applications when I'm using SLS nylon. So you could do things with SLS like media tumble it, you can dye it different colors and get some neat results, but most people don't know that you can nickel plate SLS. Now, I want you to take a look at this real quick. Nickel plated SLS is actually the deposit and the growth of 4 thousandths to about 4.5 thousandths of copper nickel. So it's a little bit of copper coating the part, and then nickel is built up over top of that. Note that this is not a polished finish. It's actually exaggerating that layer line look that you get from 3D printing processes, as well as a little bit of that coarseness that you get from that sugar cube finish that SLS has. Also note that my 4 thousandths buildup will make holes smaller, as well as other features. So if you have a keyway feature, it's just something to be aware of. Maybe offset it, make it a little bit wider if you're going to do nickel plating. So why do I nickel plate? Well, it gives me mechanical strength, sometimes 5x stronger than the standard part. It also provides things like EMI shielding. So electromagnetic interference shielding is a great application. In this case, we actually see this a lot on housings for PC boards. We'll nickel plate one side of it to give that shielding to the part. Something to note about nickel plating is that if you do not have any access holes, you will see sometimes a little copper nub here, and that's actually where they have to hang the part. So they actually do a little drill, add a little bit of copper, hang the part by the copper, and then snip it off at the end. If you have a through hole somewhere, you're gonna hook this part. But yeah, very cool application, very cool finish, and it instantly quotes on Xometry.com. So select your SLS nylon parts. Under finish, you can select nickel plating and see your price and click order. Thanks so much.